This video is about removing the ransomware type infection called Sato, and this Sato is the ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, there are no any troubles when it comes to opening any file types. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data, all that can be opened easily without troubles. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer, this Sato ransomware from the DJVU family may be easily injected. People may suddenly realize that after restarting their computer or simply turning it on someday, they see that the files have been damaged and encrypted by this Sato ransomware. And Sato is the extension appended to the file names. So very soon it is just impossible to use the files anymore. For a short period of time the files are still available, but then people notice that a special Sato extension has been appended to the file names, and it's not possible to use these files anymore. So you try to open this specific file and you get this message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with this Sato extension. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but of course paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay that ransom. Don't waste the money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with a Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then after it is successfully installed, start researching your computer by clicking on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. The scanning itself will take some time. It typically depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available on your computer. It may also depend on how infected the system is and on some other factors. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but we recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best solution to keep your files always protected. And you may find a special link in the description to this video that will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.